How to create a budget that actually works. Budgeting. It's one of those things most of us know we should do, but somehow never get around to. Maybe you tried before and it didn't stick, or maybe the word itself just makes you feel like it's going to be a lot of work. But what if I told you budgeting doesn't have to be stressful, and it can actually help you feel more in control of your money? Let's break it down step by step and make it simple. First things first, let's talk about why you need a budget. A budget is basically a plan for your money. It tells you where your money goes instead of wondering at the end of the month where it all went. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend, miss savings goals, or fall into debt. But when you have one, you'll know exactly where every dollar is going, and that brings peace of mind. Step 1. Track your income. This is pretty simple. Add up everything you bring in each month. Your salary, side gigs, freelance work, whatever it is. Get the total number. Knowing how much you're working with is crucial because it's the foundation of your budget. Now, don't worry about the tax deductions for now. Just focus on what hits your account at the end of the day. Step 2. List your expenses. Here's where things can get real. Start with the basics: rent, utilities, groceries. Then move on to things like subscriptions, eating out, or your gym membership. Don't forget the little stuff. Those morning coffees add up quicker than you think. Monthly pro tip: keep track of every single expense for at least a week. You might be surprised at where your money is leaking. Step 3. Categorize and prioritize. Once you've listed your expenses, group them into 2 categories: fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are things you can't easily change, like rent or loan payments. Variable expenses are more flexible, like dining out, entertainment, or shopping. Now, within the variable category, prioritize what's necessary versus what's more of a want. The key here is to distinguish between needs and wants so you know where to cut back if needed. Step 4. Set your goals and plan your budget. Your budget should reflect your financial goals. Are you saving for a vacation, paying off debt, building an emergency fund? Whatever it is, make sure you know what you're working toward. This will give you the motivation to stick with your budget. Once your goals are clear, it's time to allocate your income. For example, a popular method is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for essentials, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Step 5. Track your spending and adjust. Don't let your budget gather dust. Monitor your progress throughout the month. If you see you're overspending in one area, cut back in another. A budget is a living document. It changes as your financial situation changes. You don't have to be perfect with your budget. Life happens. But the key is to stay flexible and make adjustments as you go. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. It's all about giving you control, reducing stress, and setting yourself up for long-term success. The best part? Once you get the hang of it, budgeting becomes second nature. So, grab that pen, jot down your expenses, and start working toward your financial goals today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need a little budgeting boost. See you next time.